Have you ever bought a brand new phone and thought the hardest part was just paying for it? Well, what if I told you the real shock often comes later when you actually need to fix it? That's exactly the case with Apple's new iPhone Air, and the numbers might surprise you. So, let's rewind a little. Apple just revealed its iPhone 17 lineup, and while many people were relieved that the prices of the phones themselves didn't go up this year, there's another side of the story: repairs. Because the cost of keeping these shiny new devices in good shape hasn't really changed, and in some ways, it feels more confusing than ever. Take the iPhone Air, for example. It's supposed to be Apple's thin and futuristic iPhone, but when it comes to repairs, it's treated more like a pro phone than the standard iPhone 17. Need to replace its battery. That will cost you $119, the same as the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Now here's the twist. If you have the regular iPhone 17, swapping out the battery is only $99. That difference might not seem huge at first, but it highlights a weird question: where exactly does the iPhone Air sit in Apple's lineup? Is it a premium device, or just a thin experiment priced like a Pro? It doesn't stop there. Imagine dropping your phone and cracking the rear camera. For the iPhone Air and iPhone 17, you'll have to pay $169 for a replacement. But if you've got the Pro models, brace yourself, it jumps up to $249. Apple didn't raise these repair prices compared to last year. But let's be honest, they're still pretty hefty, and this is where AppleCare Plus comes into the picture. Now, I know a lot of people brush off extended warranties, but with numbers like these, AppleCare Plus starts to sound like a pretty good deal. For the iPhone 17, it's $11.99 a month, or $119.99 per year. For the iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max, and the Air, it's a bit higher at $13.99 per month, or $139.99 per year. What do you get for that? Well, if your battery health drops below 80%, Apple replaces it for free. And for other types of damage, instead of paying hundreds, you're looking at repairs that range between $29 and $99. Suddenly, that monthly payment doesn't sound so bad, especially if you're someone who tends to drop your phone or keep it for a few years. Here's the bigger picture though. Most of us think about the cost of a smartphone only when we buy it. We see the $899 or $1,199 price tag, and that's it. We think we're done. But owning a phone is really about the total cost over time. It's the case you buy to protect it, the battery you may need to replace in 2 years, or the repair bill after a sudden accident. Apple's latest repair pricing is a reminder that the true cost of owning a device doesn't end at checkout. So maybe the real question isn't, can I afford this new iPhone? It's, can I afford to keep it running? And if you're considering the iPhone Air, that's something worth thinking twice about. At the end of the day, whether you decide to play it safe with AppleCare Plus or roll the dice without it, one thing is clear: taking care of your phone is just as important as buying it in the first place. What do you think? Do you see AppleCare Plus as a smart investment, or just another way for Apple to make money off us? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next update.